If your Cuisinart AirFryer TOA-60 oven isn't heating properly, cooking unevenly, or failing to start, the issue is often related to simple setup or maintenance factors. Countertop air fryer ovens rely on proper airflow, correct rack placement, and stable power supply to function efficiently. When crumbs accumulate, trays are positioned incorrectly, or the unit experiences a minor electrical glitch, performance can be affected. Fortunately, most problems can be resolved quickly with a few basic troubleshooting checks before considering professional repair. Try these. Step 1. Ensure the oven is plugged into a working outlet and the timer and function knobs are properly set. Step 2. Check that the air fryer basket and trays are positioned correctly inside the oven. Step 3. Remove crumbs or grease buildup from the crumb tray and interior surfaces. Step 4. Verify the temperature and cooking function settings match the recipe or cooking mode you need. Step 5. Turn the oven off, wait about 1 minute, then restart it to reset the internal controls.